Hello. On the last video, we ended our video at walkthrough tutorial number 5, and now we're beginning with walkthrough tutorial number 6. Okay, let's get started. Okay, calculate an expression without variables. Type into formula 1 plus 1. Press Alt. So this calculates an expression without variables. Doesn't display anything except shows the value here. Okay, next one. Increment or interval. Type or copy into formula A1 plus B. Oh, excuse me, A plus 1B. Press Alt. In the formula section, type into value 10. In the formula variable section, type into variable value of A2. Use this formula's current name. Type into variable value B, increment or interval. Press Alt. Note, variable value B will use the formula's value before calculation. Type into variable value B, increment or interval plus 50. Press Alt. Okay, now what this does is it reuses the same formula, increment or interval here, and when it's referenced here, only the value gets referenced, and when the value gets referenced, the value updates, and so will the formula. Or the formula expressions. Next one. Organization and search. Type or copy into formula this section. Press Alt. Then fill in the variable value below and press Alt. Auto adjust. Type a single line of characters into formula until the window is filled. Then click the center of the text and press Enter, then Alt. Oh, formula. Note the application window's width will automatically adjust at load time. It will start with the adjusted width and will not change. In order to readjust the width of a section, decrease the length of the letters and numbers by pressing it. Then save and reload the file. Search. Click on and remove the calculator and formula search. Type in or copy it. type or copy into it, reuse the pi formula. Remove the reuse the pi formula text from the search. Check exact contain and description. Okay. Search for this direction. Type or copy into search. Type or copy into search. Click on this formulas bar to hide this formula. So what we just did was we've searched for a formula or a text within a formula, and it is shown here in the formula section, formula search section. Sorry for the bug. And once we've searched for it, then it is displayed here at the scoped section of the list, and it's just to show how the search works. And the other one was to show you a visual, how the visualization works. The auto adjusted view. And it also shows that you can add enter and spaces to your formulas and equations. Here. Spaces, and the result will be the same. Okay, next one. Copy and shift formulas. Press add to add a new formula. Click on the index number highlighted in green to the left of the formula list. Don't change it and press Alt. Okay. Shift formulas. Click on an index number and change its number into another number on the list and press Alt. Let's change this one to 10. Oh wait, 12. Replace formulas. Click on an index to the left of this list of formulas. Change its number to another number on the list and press Ctrl. Let's go to 14. And this one. Removing formulas. Add 5 to 10 formulas. Right click the first Add Formulas bar. Click. Selection. Hold Shift, right click the first and fourth formula. first and fourth. Deselect. Hold Alt, right click. X button, delete. Press the X button to delete a single formula. Right-click the first to last added formula. Press delete or Control right-click. Okay. Okay. And this is it for today, and tomorrow we'll begin with tutorial 11 through 15. Thank you for watching.